Good Tuesday morning, mid-Missouri. It's going to be another chilly start to another cold day overall. Our ABC 17 storm track Doppler radar and satellite showing high pressure near Dallas, and that extends up into the Midwest here. We are just right now at about 3 a.m., 4 a.m. We are on the eastern edge of this, but as we progress throughout the day, we'll be back on the western edge. And if you know, that pulls our winds back out of the south. All that air kind of flowing clockwise around that high pressure. And so that will struggle to warm us, fighting a colder start this morning than yesterday. A lot of us in the teens here to start your Tuesday, but overall it all balances out to put us back into the 40s this afternoon. It's a bright, chilly morning, and again, we're cool throughout the day. We're adding more winds from the south by the noon hour, and that's where you pick up a few of those extra clouds through the mid-afternoon towards sunset. It really doesn't bring us overcast, guys. It should be some upper-level high clouds that maybe even could add to our sunset. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But as we see the sunset, those temperatures fall back below freezing, back into the 20s. We're warmer, though, overall on Wednesday. You'll expect temperatures back near 50 by the time we get to the noon hour. So it's a quick warm-up on Wednesday. That wind out of the south at the surface. Meanwhile, here today, we've got winds up aloft out of the north. That will shift as well as we see some ridging move in from the west. That'll turn our upper-level winds out of the south, and that will not only bring warmth, but more moisture as well ahead of this next upper level trough that digs through overnight Thursday into Friday. We'll see that bring us a chance for rain, and then we've got some more short waves to the west that we'll be watching over the weekend. But let's talk about that first chance for rain. We are warming with south winds heading into your Thursday, but by the time we get to Thursday, we will add showers throughout the day, peaking overnight into early Friday morning. So this is midnight, and that's where we're starting to see our best chances for rain because a low pressure system at the surface is going to pass just to our south about that time, and then it pushes off towards the east and takes the rain with it. Will be drier throughout the day on Friday. So Friday's not a washout. Really our best chance for rain is Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. If we take a look at how much rain we could see, most of our rain is going to pass just to our south and east, closer to that low itself, but still we get some good measurable rain here locally, anywhere between a half an inch, likely for folks near Columbia and north of I-70 over towards Sedalia and to the north. Jefferson City, you've got a better chance at maybe 3/4, maybe an inch for some folks near Rolla to St. Louis, and on the south side of St. Louis, even better rain. Now, this could shift around, of course, depending on the track of the low, but what could also change depending on the path of that low is whether we see a little bit of thunder with this or if we see a possible rain-snow mix on the backside. Again, that's going to largely depend on which direction this low passes, but overall, we do not expect strong storms and we do not expect a widespread measurable snow. Again, this would be a quick mix as that leaves. So we're going to keep it as rain in the forecast. It's pretty warm, mild we'll call it, 50s Wednesday and Thursday. We dip into the 40s Friday and Saturday, back to the low 50s. Very typical for this time of the year, heading into early next week.